Okay, everyone. Hope you guys are ready for a little story time, a little night time. It is cozy in here. It's cozy in here. Make me some more milk? No, get it yourself. I'm gonna show some responsibility. Okay, good night construction site. Sherry Dusky, Rinker, and Tom Lichenheld. What are those names? Outstanding. Good night construction site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. Yeah, everyone tuck in. Everyone tuck in, everybody. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Then cuddles up and says goodnight. Shh, good night. Crane truck, good night. He's got his little teddy, guys. See that? A little teddy. You guys got your teddy nice and tight? Spinning, churning all day long. Cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dreary from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cut his engines, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. Little pebble came out. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. Dumpy Wumpy, that's right, Diz. He lowers his head, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Look at that guy. Hey, pipe down! Because his snoring is so loud. That's you, chat. That's you. You're that guy. That's you in the story. Maybe he's got sleep apnea. That's right. Pushing with his mighty blade, Bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. Take 2 on the roar. Yeah, we'll try again next time. Next time. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, Bulldozer. Good night. It's like when you become a dad, you can just put anyone to sleep reading one of these books. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, Excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arg! This is arg. But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Look at all those holes. Pirate truck? I don't know. It says ARG. You saw it. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, Excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough, so proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines. Stop your tracks. Relax your wheels, your stacks, your backs. No more huffing and puffing. Team, it's time to rest your heads and dream. So sorry. So sorry.
You only wrote this for the money, didn't you?
Look at all of them sleeping. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night.
Go on.
They're all asleep, Chad. Well, chat, thanks for joining me for story time. Hope you all enjoyed that, and I hope you have a great night. Sleep tonight. Hope you'll join me again for another edition of Paul Reads a Storybook with me, Tom.